Good morning, everybody. So things are starting to heat up weather-wise here in LA, at least where I live. So I think we're gonna go to the beach, take a little drive around Malibu, and stop at a few different spots that I have in mind. But yeah, basically get out of the heat. I don't want to be locked up with the AC all day long at home, so let's go to the beach. Okay, we're getting closer to the beach. I can already see the marine layer there in the distance. We're not far away at all. So once we get out of this canyon, this is Topanga Canyon. Once we get out of here, we're gonna hit PCH and start rolling along the coast. So I've driven down PCH so many times, but I always wanted to stop here and check out this abandoned Topanga Ranch Motel. So yeah, let's go take a look. Experiences. I like that. I agree. We are at the Malibu Lagoon. You can see it in the back. Never been here. I mean, I have, but never to this side of the lagoon. So let's go explore. That is so cool. I like it. It stinks here. Look at all that stale water. Pretty stinky. Smells like, yeah, stagnant ocean water. That's what it smells like. And look at the marine layer up there. It's a nice place to walk. They got a pretty cool trail here. And we're getting closer to the ocean. This is like a, yeah, it's a lagoon, obviously. But now we're gonna get closer to the beach. See what we see. I'm seeing a ton of birds already. Okay, we've reached the beach. Look at that house. I love that wood. It's all eroded by the sea salt and whatnot. That looks gorgeous. Lots of interesting driftwood here. Look at this one. I love driftwood. Makes for good pieces of art if you want to do something with them. You have a ton of driftwood here. And photographers. They're everywhere. Like this too. That's cool. Well, speaking of driftwood, look at all this stuff. And look what we got up there. The other way I saw a dead rat by the beach. Probably brought in by this lagoon tide or whatever. So this guy here has no shortage of food. Okay, so we are at the Adamson House. You can pause it and read it. But it says provides a unique opportunity to experience cultural heritage of Malibu with some bird poo all over the sign. Very nice. Let's go explore this place. So I always wanted to come see this house, the Adamson House. And now we're here. This is awesome. I love Spanish architecture so much. So this place is right up my alley. Look at this beauty. This planter. I want to take it home. Even the water fountain looks beautiful. Look at the woodwork. Wow. The detail is amazing. Okay, this house, such a treat. But now let's go explore the Malibu Pier. It's just right here. How cool is this truck? So cute. That's it for today, guys. That was a nice little short trip around Malibu Pier, Malibu Lagoon, and the Adamson House, which is in the middle of both. Now we are gonna go home. So thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram as well if you want, and we'll see you on the next adventure.